So we'll begin with my introduction first, then I need to be familiar with you guys also. So this session could be more of interactive, not just speaking and you guys will listen to it. Okay? You have to talk with me, not just sit there and listen to me. Okay? So I am Shivani Shende, as sir knows, and now it has become Dr. Shivani Shende. So I have completed my UG in physiotherapy from Pune, and I'm now going for PG education, further education in Surat. Admission have been done, all the procedure has been done, and I'll be going for the sports medicine. So let me write my name here first. So my studies are being done here only. I have learned from To be surprised. I have been from Kanya School. Okay. Do you know all where is Kanya School? Now it is called, Sorry? Yeah.
Talk something.
Yeah. Now it is called SSM, Srimati Sirikor Devi Mohta Vidyalaya. Okay. So it is semi-English school, by the way. I have completed my NEET sessions. Whatever there are materials need to be studied in Akola. Then I have shifted to Nagpur for my gap purpose, and then I have shifted to Pune, and I have come here. I have been there. I will be there for 6 months also later on, and then will be moving at Gujarat. So I have roamed many places in this journey. Okay. So now to you, please give me introduction one by one. At least name, your education, and the place where do you belong. Okay. So start. I am giving you chance. I'm not going to pick you up, because this will improve your confidence. This will improve your interactive learning. If I pick you up, okay, that means you are not willing to speak with me. Okay. So start the interactions one by one. Are you getting me?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yes? Are you getting me all? Yes? So start. Go on.
Your name and your
My name is Tisha.
No, not in sitting. Stand up.
stand and take.
Sorry.
Yeah.
My name is Tisha. I live in Chikli. My education is BCA first year.
BCA first year. From where? कहाँ से?
Chikli. At Chikli Puspara.
Okay, is there any college for BCA?
नहीं, BCA का कॉलेज यहाँ पर ही है.
Yeah, I'm asking.
तुलस्कर कॉलेज.
Okay, BCA from Tulaskar College. Okay. From when did you, are you coming here? कब से आ रहे हो आप यहाँ पे? Okay, 15 days. Okay, nice. Nice to meet you. Next one. Dhatarak. Okay, Utkarsha. Class? 9th. School?
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar School.
Okay, most of the population is from
Marathi school.
Ambedkar School.
Yeah.
You?
My name is Chandra Hemant Padak. I have studied 7th B. My school name is Ratnavidya Niketan Pansalar Katara High School.
Okay, nice. One from St. John. I knew my nephew. You, girl?
Shivani Sanjay.
Okay. Class? 11. From where? College?
School name.
Ambedkar.
Bidkar. Okay. You two guys? Nice to meet you guys. So once again, what's going on? They are my nephew. I live with them 24/7. Huh? Nephew is if your mama or kaka has son and they are your brothers, then those are your nephews. Okay? Bhanja maybe. भांजा. Yes. हाँ, तो we'll start with your session. So I have seen that most of the population is from Ambedkar school. Okay, so it is unsaid that we belong to. We belong to Marathi school, and we need to speak English. We need to learn English to highlight ourselves from others in that particular school. Okay, because maybe education system is somewhat not paying attention, because those are on government jobs. They get their salary easily, very easily, and they do not focus on all these things. Because I am telling you guys on my personal experience, because when I was here for my classes in 2013, 2014 and 2015, I have completed 3 years of my learning procedure here, and then only I have become monitor to help other students. And I myself had conducted personality development classes also over here. So it was long back, 10 years back, but those memories are still fresh, because I have learned from here tremendous material and tremendous knowledge. Okay, how you speak, how you convey your thoughts, how you stand, how you sit, how you speak to others, how you speak to your elder one, how you speak to your younger one. So I have, and it helped me out throughout my career, you can say. Okay, I have been seeing many patients. I have seen maybe 1,000 cross patients in my journey of being this doctor, and we have to do these things. Okay, so to tackle them also with smile on your face, however stress is there about studies, about exam, this class will help you there also. Okay, it is shocking because you have just started your journey in this Vandile sir speaking class, but let me tell you, this class and the learnings from here will help you throughout your journey till your death. Take stamp and I'll give you sign on it. Okay, so there is one student belonging to St. John's School, and that is shocking, because we don't have any student from St. John.
Right now there are so many students. Now there is the art season.
Okay.
In summer vacation, you would come.
Okay.
You may come. You see, there are so many students who
Okay.
belong to St. John. There might be some student who belongs to Bhavan,
Okay.
Niketan.
Because I am
Numbers of
seeing
public school.
my little nephew from Bhavans only,
Yeah.
but he speaks very well, and there is no need for him to join such classes or else. Regarding personality development, yes, there is need for him, but for English speaking, it is surprising.
Yeah. Mostly, some students come because of they don't know how to speak on the stage.
Okay,
They don't
stage
know
daring
how to
wise,
speak,
yeah.
Debate, presentation, elocution,
Okay,
stage daring,
okay,
teaching skill.
Okay.
These are the important aspect of this course.
okay.
So that
So I have one question to you only. Please rise up. Yeah. What made you come here? You can speak in any language. I am fine with it.
मुझे यहाँ पे पर्सनालिटी की अच्छी लग रही बात। मुझे पर्सनालिटी डेवलपमेंट यहाँ पे हो रहा है और इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग भी साथ में हो रहा है।
Okay. So what about your school? They don't teach you these things.
हमें सिर्फ कुछ पेजेस लिख के देते, लर्न करो
Yeah.
और बोलने जाओ, करे डर लगना वो गया,
Okay. So
बोलने जाओ।
rectification. You say.
यस
Okay. कि ये है, इतना लर्न करो, रट्टा मारो, स्टेज पे जाओ, यही बको, बैठ जाओ. These things going on. Okay, fine. So, sit down. Thank you. So, see, we need these classes because we don't get these kind of material from the school. Okay, in my 9th standard, sir, I had personality development का subject. उसके पीरियड्स थे. I'll go with Hindi, Marathi. Okay, are you fine with it or should I continue in English only?
Yeah, only English because they should understand English.
You will get it. If you don't get, just raise your hand. I'll convert that in Marathi or Hindi. Okay?
No need because they should understand. They
Oh.
must understand.
Okay, fine.
They, at least they are feel that somebody came to belong to class.
Yes,
They
yes.
speak English.
Yeah.
I have to improve my English.
Yeah.
That motive should be in there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is the reason.
So what happened there? They did the same thing like you. Okay? Same thing had happened with me also. That personality development was subject to me. There were periods assigned to the teachers. They had come to the class. They had given some material to us. Ki baba, SWOT analysis. Okay, this one point, and there are many other in personality development. You won't get what is SWOT analysis now. You will get it later, and we put this SWOT analysis, group discussions and debates and all in when your speaking is improved. Okay, we go here stage by stage. Okay, you will learn what is this SWOT analysis. This helps with your entire education, with entire career, or maybe more than this also. Okay, problem solving, any kind of problem. It may be educational problem, it may be career problem, it may be personal problems. Okay, this personality development will help you reaching your personal answers also. Okay, so we had done this thing that you just copyright these things, you write these abbreviations, you write what is AS, what is W, what is O, what is T, but what is the meaning of this we didn't know there in my 9th standard. Okay, but when in 10th I was here for personality development classes conducted by Sagar sir. Yeah, then Sagar sir was
As a
conducting.
monitor of this course.
Yes. So he then told us, I was like, yeah, this stuff was already taught by my teachers in school only. So what is the need here? Then when these programs were conducted by him and by sir, then we get to know ki this will also help in our personality development. So here I'll just get back, I'll just remove your question mark for this. S is your strength. Okay, if you want to write, you can write. Okay, what is SWOT analysis? S is strength, W is weakness, O is opportunity, and T is threats. Okay, so when you get all these things about yourself, the path will be clearer to you. Okay, much clearer to you. What you need to be done, what you have to do in future life, and what you will do. These all the three things are different. Okay, what I am thinking is different thing, what I am speaking to you is different thing, what I am doing back there of this class is different thing. Getting? But these things will help you out through all these three things. Getting? You two guys? Getting? Okay, so learn whatever things are being taught here. Learn, practice. First step, you are learning. Okay, grasp everything, try to grasp everything. Okay, there may be sir is giving 100%, you can't catch that 100%. Okay, that's why sir has given you membership for 5 years, guys. Okay, so sir is putting 100% of himself. You grasp at least 50%, try to get that 50% at your home. practice that 50%, come here with that 50%, and you perform that 50%. Don't come and sit over here. Ask your doubts, okay? Speaking until you speak to me, until you speak to the sir, until you speak to your teachers at your school, nothing is going to happen. Okay? If you are not saying to me that I have not understood these things, I won't get that you are not understanding these things, these terminologies. I won't get that. I'll continue my speaking, I'll continue my lectures. But the point you interrupt me, the point you interrupt your teachers, that means you are awakened in the class. Correct?